Every startup begins with the same ambition: to build an MVP, launch quickly, and start learning from real users. Naturally, the product becomes the center of attention, while the systems supporting that product begin taking shape in the background. Deployment workflows are created, cloud infrastructure is configured, environments are prepared, security policies are introduced, and release processes evolve alongside development. None of these decisions seem particularly significant on day one because they are simply helping the team move forward. As the company grows, those early decisions begin growing with it. A deployment script written for the first release becomes part of every future deployment. Manual environment configurations gradually become the team's standard workflow. Small infrastructure decisions become permanent operational practices. And knowledge starts living inside individual engineers instead of inside the platform itself. Every new feature now travels through a system that was designed for a much smaller company. This is what we call the scaling tax. It doesn't slow the first release, it quietly influences every release that comes after it. The startups that continue scaling confidently usually make one decision very early. Instead of rebuilding operational systems as the company grows, they begin with a platform designed to support consistent execution from the very beginning. That creates clarity across environments, consistency across deployments, and a release process that grows naturally alongside the product, the engineering team, and the business itself. That is exactly where Cloud Launchpad creates value. Instead of investing valuable engineering time building and rebuilding deployment systems, teams start with a production-ready internal developer platform where deployments, environments, security, and release workflows are already designed to work together. Every deployment follows a defined and repeatable process. Every environment remains aligned, and every release moves forward with the same level of confidence as the business continues to grow. The shortcuts you take in month 1 become the systems you depend on in year 2. Choose them wisely. Build a great product, build lasting momentum, and build the foundation that grows with both. Because the fastest growing startups are remembered not only for the products they create, but for the systems that help them deliver those products consistently.